Hi everyone. Today this session we discuss about the functions of human resource management. Human resource management is concerned with the people dimension in management. Since every organization is made up of people, acquiring their services, developing their skills, motivating them to higher levels of performance, and ensuring that they continue to maintain their commitment to the organization are essential to achieving organizational objectives. Then, the functions of HRM can be broadly classified into two categories. First one is managerial functions, and another one is operative functions. Managerial functions are those functions which helps in planning, organizing, directing, controlling, and staffing of personnel within the organization. And all this is usually done by the human resource professionals. Let's see how these functions help in an organization. First one is planning. Firstly, the management must be aware of the vacant position of workforce requirement of the organization. Then they need to formulate the strategies for meeting the requirements. Then organizing. The manager has to establish a framework for the operative functions, bringing together the human resources and physical resources available with the organization. Then directing. Once the framework is ready, the manager instructs and guides the team to work accordingly to meet the organizational objective. Then controlling. The management predefines the standard for performance and later analyzes the results based on such criteria through performance appraisal and job analysis. The management has to take corrective measures if necessary. Then staffing. Staffing is one of the key functions of human resource management as staffing is the process of employing right people, providing suitable training and placing them in the right job by paying them accordingly and satisfactorily. Next one is operative functions. Some of the operative functions are procurement, development, compensation, maintenance, integration. Operational functions plays in an important role within the organization. It helps in building a good team of working professionals for operating the business activities. Let's see how these functions help in an organization. First one is procurement. The acquisition of human resource is the primary functions of a manager. It involves the estimation of professional requirement, recruitment and selection of suitable candidates, placement and orientation of the workforce in the right position. Then development. To develop the required skills and talent within the employees, the managers have to use various training techniques. And next, compensation. Compensation in the form of remuneration given to employees instead of their services to the organization should be adequate and fair. The employees are liable to get other benefits such as a bonus or incentives. Then integration. Integration means making the new employees familiar with the organization and to their tasks or processes. It introduces them to the organizational environment and their colleagues. Then maintenance. The most important of all is the retention of the employees, which requires providing them with various benefits and facilities like PF, life insurance, accidental insurance, health insurance, pension, gratuity, allowances, and taking other health and safety measures. This chart display the consist of operational functions. First one, procurement. Procurement includes job analysis, recruitment, selection, placement, onboarding, transfer, promotion. Next, development. Development consists of performance appraisal, training, career planning, development, transitions planning. Then compensation. Compensation including evaluation, wages and salary, bonus and incentives, payroll. Then integrate. Integrate includes labor relations, motivation, grievance, discipline. Okay, next maintain. Maintenance includes health and safety, risk management, social security, welfare, record keeping. That's all. Thank you.